In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Stripe account. If you no longer need your Stripe account and you want to close it properly, this process is fairly straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go inside the Stripe dashboard so you can find the account closure option without confusion. To begin, open Stripe and make sure you're on the main dashboard or home area of your account. This is the starting point for the process. And from here, you'll be able to access the settings needed to manage your business account details. Before moving forward, it's a good idea to double check that you're signed into the correct Stripe account, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're on the Stripe home dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This is where Stripe groups together your account configuration and administrative options. If you're not used to navigating Stripe, this section is where most important account level changes are made. After opening settings, click on Business. This section contains the key details related to your Stripe account, including business information and other account management options. You may see several settings categories in the sidebar, so just focus on selecting Business to continue. Next, scroll all the way down the page. The option to delete or deactivate an account is not usually placed at the top, so keep going until you reach the bottom of the business settings page. There, you'll find the Close Account option. Click Close Account to begin the account deletion process. At this point, Stripe may show a confirmation prompt or additional information about what happens when the account is closed. Read that information carefully before you confirm, since closing an account can affect access to payment history, settings, and other account-related data. If there are any remaining balances, pending transactions, or unresolved issues, you may want to review those first before finalizing the closure. Once you confirm, your Stripe account will be set to close according to Stripe's process. And that's it. That's how to delete a Stripe account. As a final tip, if you think you may need the account again later, consider reviewing any important records or exports before closing it, just so you have a copy of anything you might need in the future. If this guide helped you, you can use the same general approach anytime you need to manage account settings directly from the Stripe dashboard.